It's January 2025, and this is an update on the Elevon community in Lavon, Texas. Just east of Highway 78 in Lavon, Texas, you come down the road a little bit, and they have broken ground and started the foundation for an Elevon multifamily. And on the screen, you'll see a list of builders that have model homes available now to look at. Don't worry, I'll go through each one of them and where they are located. Right now, the community has a north side and a south side. And for all you nature lovers that like to walk for fun, there are plenty of nature trails all throughout Elevon. So the first model homes you'll come to are MI Homes and History Maker. These are going to be starter to mid-range homes, as you see the square foot and price ranges here. They have broken ground for the Retreat at Elevon Amenity Center. Should be coming this year. Just down the street is going to be the Pacesetter model homes. Pacesetter will be offering the smallest option with their twin homes. And over by the water tower, you'll notice a big field. This is going to be an elementary school in the community ISD. Right before that field, we'll have the Trophy Signature home and the Union Main model home. And in what is currently the back for what has been developed so far is going to be the Enchanted Lakes, which is a series of lakes and rocks and a peaceful sitting area. Circling back around on the south side is going to be Lavon, closer to that middle entrance. They're going to be the bigger homes for Lavon at a little higher price range, from the mid-500s to the mid-600s. All right, now let's take a look at the north side of Elevon. As you can see, only about almost half of this has been developed. In the screen right now, I'm showing where the dog park is going to be. Right now, it is just ground. But the Sunrise Shores private catch and release fishing pond is available. And there's a trail that goes around that with quite a bit of workout equipment. Coming down the street a little ways, you'll see at the far north side of Elevon is the Trailside Commons Amenity Center with a pool, a clubhouse, and the playground. And right at the north side entrance is going to be the D.R. Horton model home. So that's the Elevon community in Lavon, Texas. Is this the place for you? I'd love to help you find out for yourself. Call or text the number below or send me an email and we can get that scheduled.